In this video we are going to create a website for our domain in less than 5 minutes, so let's get started. I'm using my unlimited lifetime influencer account here. Now please click on Websites, Settings. Here I have several domains. This is the one I'm going to set up now. Currently it cannot be found. Now let's click on Add Site. I will call this one Funnel Builder Tutorial and connect it to the right domain. Let's click on Save. Here we are. Now please click on the link below site name. And here is our main page. We can already click on the preview. And now you will see that the domain is connected. The SSL information is already there. Let's click on main page. And now we can choose a title. I will call my site Funnel Builder Tutorial. Let's pick a template. I will pick the presentation template from the library. This is the preview. Now let's click on Create Page. Here is the preview. Now let's click on Save Page. And on the little red door symbol. Yes, I want to exit. Afterwards I will see the preview of my web page in the web page builder. And when I now try to open my domain, it comes up right away. This is already working. Of course, you can now go and adjust all the content, but this is a topic for a different video. Let's go to Google and type in mobile friendly test. Pick the first search result and paste the URL to test it. This may take a little while. And here we are. It says the site is optimized for mobile devices. It shows up as it should. And in this little video you have learned how to connect your domain, create a new website, go live, and do a mobile friendly test. And you have done it yourself in under 5 minutes.